guys, today I'll discuss the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 6. So, what is MARPOL Annex 6? MARPOL Annex 6 or Prevention of Pollution of Air Pollution from Ships. MARPOL Annex 6 sets standards for the prevention of air pollution from ships, and it aims to reduce harmful emissions such as sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, ozone depleting substances, and volatile organic compounds. The key requirements of MARPOL Annex 6 to be complied by a ship are: first, emission control areas or ECAs. Certain areas such as the Baltic Sea, North Sea, and North American ECA have stricter emission limits. Ships operating within these areas must use fuels with lower sulfur content or install exhaust gas cleaning systems or scrubbers. So, sulfur content limits. The global sulfur content limit for marine fuels is 0.50% in emission control areas. This limit is reduced to 0.10%. Nitrogen oxide emissions limits. Ship must comply with nitrogen oxides emission limits based on the engine type and installation date. These limits are categorized into tiers 1, 2, and 3 with increasingly stringent standards for ECAs. Tier 1 applies to the engine installed on ships constructed on or after January 1, 2000. This tier is the least stringent of the three. It applies to the engines with a power output of more than 130 kilowatts. Tier 2 applies to engines installed on ships constructed on or after January 1, 2011. This tier is more stringent than Tier 1. It requires a significant reduction in nitrogen oxide emissions. Tier 3 applies to engines installed on ships constructed on or after January 1, 2016, operating in emission control areas. This tier is most stringent and requires a further reduction in nitrogen oxide emissions compared to Tier 2. The North American ECA includes the waters of the United States and Canada extending 200 nautical miles from the coast. Shipboard incineration. Incineration of certain substances such as plastics and cargo residues is prohibited on board ships. Incinerators must meet specific performance standards to minimize emissions. Energy efficiency. Ships are required to improve their energy efficiency through measures such as Energy Efficiency Design Index for the new ships and the Energy Efficiency Existing Ship Index for existing ships. Carbon intensity. Ship must calculate their annual operational carbon intensity and meet the specific targets. They are also assigned a carbon intensity rating to A to E based on their performance. Ships must obtain specific certificates to demonstrate compliance with MARPOL Annex 6 requirements, like International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate. This certificate verifies that the ship meets the requirements for nitrogen oxide emissions and sulfur content. Engine International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate. This certificate applies to each regulated diesel engine and confirms its compliance with NOx standards. Garbage record book. Ship must maintain a garbage record book to document all garbage discharges and incinerations. Fuel non-availability report. So, by adhering to this regulation, ship can contribute to cleaner air and a more sustainable maritime industry. So, this is the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 6. And I hope that you learned something about my discussion. Thank you.